jumpsuit. Ooh, yeah. Good morning, you guys. So my sister is in town again. She's been in town. Well, you weren't in town last weekend, were you?
No.
Okay.
I skipped one weekend.
So Audrey's just in therapy right now. I went and dropped off a couple of packages, some Synergens products, some DEPOP packages. So I got that done. My list of things I need to get done today. So next we're gonna go to Trader Joe's and get a bunch of fall stuff, which I'm super excited for. And then we're gonna get stuff for our Taylor Swift concert outfits, which is, the concert's Saturday, today's Thursday. So I'm gonna vlog these next like 3 or 4 days, I think. A little mini Vlogtober, since I'm not doing Vlogtober. I just have midterms like
You're the worst.
for the next 2 weeks, and so I just don't think I could handle it all. And if I did upload videos, they would just be crap, you know what I mean?
Like
they
2
would,
minutes
yeah,
and 14 seconds.
or they would just be boring or like not edited well because I'd be hurrying. So that's what we're doing. I washed out all of the pink out of my hair today. It's a little, it has like a hint of pink in it still. But today Cassie's going to bleach my roots tonight if we have time. Hopefully we have time. We're at Trader Joe's. I'm trying to vlog without getting in trouble.
Because we have gotten in trouble before, multiple times, in New York and Portland. We're just making our way across the US, getting in trouble.
Okay, errand numero uno done. Now let's go to Target. Okay, so it's been quite a few hours. Good morning, you guys. So me and my sisters are out and we're gonna go run some errands. We got to stinking film in there like an idiot, but I have my stuff. Okay, so I did a toning treatment on my hair, threw my clothes back on. Now we are at Michael's to get stuff finally for our Taylor Swift concert outfits. And I put a hair mask in my hair so it's like crunchy. Wonderful. Okay, so we're trying on t-shirts. We want them to be like dresses. I'm legit changing here. Okay, wow, this is huge. That's what I told you. I don't know, it doesn't look that bad, but I think we need that one size smaller. But we can cut. Like I said, like does this part look bad?
No, it looks like a shift dress.
So I'll just cut. We can just cut the length. And cut the sleeves are the only part that actually look bad. Oh, we look like trash, but so we're trying to figure out if we want to do sequins or glitter. Now I just added another factor in there. It's cute. No, or jewels. Okay, or all three, or paint. Okay, so I was thinking originally, or we could just felt it out. No. Okay, we don't want to look like freaking Sunday school. Matte paint snake, okay, with the Gucci colors. Okay. And then on the back, glitter. Yes. Of what? REP. I'm not gonna tone my hair again tonight. I'm gonna tone it tomorrow.
Kaya Jones was never a member of the Pussycat Dolls.
Right.
But simply
I haven't told my vlog that I'm at the Taylor Swift concert. We're at the Taylor Swift concert! I haven't told my vlog I'm at the Taylor Swift concert. We're here! Wait, Bethany, turn back around. Okay, now turn around. Turn around and like, wiggle back and forth. What? So I can see the glitter. Yeah.
Global superstar Taylor Swift. This is the first time photographers have caught T-Swift on film in 6 weeks.
Grammy's youngest ever winner of Album of the Year is
Taylor Swift is responsible for me being suspended.
Taylor Swift is Taylor Swift is on top of the world, but has she done some sketchy things to get there?
issues with Taylor Swift. I felt like she was a little angry.
Number 13. There she is leaving a restaurant.
She holds too many grudges.
You can see her at the very bottom. You can see her making her way into the
I can understand trying to keep your relationship to yourself in the beginning, or needing to take some time to work on your craft. But come on.
And Taylor voluntarily bringing attention to herself with her donation.